Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In this video I'm going to show you how to invite someone and set deadlines for WhatsApp events. So let's open WhatsApp application and how to invite members to your event. You want to open individual or even group chat with the people that you want to invite, and if you have iOS device then tap plus icon, but if you use Android device then you have to tap this paperclip icon, and then from this menu you want to select event. Now let's enter details about your event. I will give my event a name. Also important that you set date and also time. Here you can select. Also you can enter end time, which could be, by the way, your deadline, because WhatsApp actually does not have built-in feature to set specific deadline for event. So you can set end time. Yes, and optional, completely optional, but you can add location and also reminder. So after this, let's tap send button so that everyone is notified, and after this members can vote if they are going to be on this event or not. But please note that WhatsApp does not allow to forward events to other chats, just in terms of privacy, stuff like that. And if you want to invite someone new, you have to add them to the chat first and then send event. And also about setting deadlines, as I mentioned, you can set end time in the event, but the second thing that you can do is writing description right here. So you can write something like please respond if you're going to be by Friday. So stuff like that, so that everyone is informed and they know that they have deadline and they should do something about it. Yes, and if, for example, plans are changing or event is canceling, then you can go to edit event button and press this button, cancel event. So that is basically it. That's all for events in WhatsApp application. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and see you in the next video.